So here we have a kitchen cupboard. First, we'll spray our surfaces with our Shyn Degreaser. Then we will use a wet magic eraser and go over each side and flat surface of the inside of the cupboard. You don't need to go over the spot more than once. I'm just rinsing out some of that chemical I have. So I'm agitating the surface so that brings this stuff up. Once you finish doing that, we will wet our grout brush and go in toward the little corners and the hinges of our cupboard. Then with a wet microfiber, I'm going to remove the product . Continuing with folding my cloth. Now I've sped this video up a little bit, just so we're not sitting here for a long time. This took me 5 minutes. Now once the chemical is removed, we will use a dry microfiber cloth. Now I'm using a dry microfiber cloth because it also helps to get any fluff or little things that are left on the cupboard. Now I just stopped and checked. Always double check over your stuff. Now I'll show you these little stain marks and how we will remove those. So what you'll need is the Shyn paste with a microfiber cloth. Agitate that surface again. Then with the same cloth, fold it over and remove the product. Then we will dry. And let's see.